guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
Hey bud, you late or you early?
We're early but late somehow. It don't make no sense. It's not even 10 o'clock and the track opens at 10. And they're already racing and we made Cooper late.
Yeah, Cooper ain't happy with us right now.
Yeah.
How's it going today, man?
You know, just late because everybody's dragging their feet.
Don't throw me under the bus.
No sense of urgency.
Yeah, Mike wakes up late and then wants to go into the gas station and get food too. Yo, why you hurt this man?
Is that the booster, boys? Is there no time for? No, you gotta go in right lane. There's 2 lanes. The right lane is for the racers. Rookie.
We're in the staging lanes. We're about to get ready. I gotta put my race suit on and hopefully just do an A to B pass. Nothing crazy. We need to drive 4 more hours back, so I don't think I'm gonna like go too crazy with it on this pass.
So they're waiting on us. We have to like, make our pass and we're gonna leave right away.
Yeah, exactly. Regardless what the pass hour is, if we go too fast, if we go too slow, don't matter. We're just gonna like keep on rolling, you know. So if we do an 11.4, we'll just turn in a 20 and go to Bradenton.
Aren't you with him? Yeah, he's a fucking idiot.
Hey! He's cool!
Yeah, dude, he might as well be a bracket racer at this point. He's got that thing dialed in.
Alright, so the whole day basically been a shit show. Everyone's been getting yelled at for recording. They're only letting crew record, which I am part of crew, 'cause I'm with Mike. But the dude was so into about yelling at me for not wanting it, but we're trying to record, so fuck it. I kind of saved Mike on that one because the car was leaking a bunch of gas, and the guy was way too focused on me than to see the car leaking gas. So now we're just gonna pack up, put everything in the car. We have a really far drive. I have to go from Georgia all the way to Bradenton, which might be like, with the stops, it might be around like 4 or 5 hours. Cal doesn't have 5th gear. Cooper has a 2-speed, so we have to follow their pace and go really slow. So we need to just get out of here and start making our way home.
You know, we dumped a little bit of fuel again. Fucking cute. But it ran at 11.5 again. Pretty decent. So 1.6 into 60 foot. I still slipped it. 11.5 and a quarter at 118. So the mile per hour was too lower than yesterday, but still, you know, it went faster. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this slip in. We gotta pick up the route and we have to drive back to Bradenton, which pretty much I think tomorrow at 3 we're gonna be racing at Bradenton. All right, we're about to roll out to Don Garlett's Museum. That's the one and only checkpoint today. It's an hour and a half, and then from there, we're either gonna go straight to Bradenton or we make a pit stop at the Boosted Boys, which is an hour, so I don't know. An hour to the Boosted Boys or 2 hours to Bradenton?
Don Garlett's.
Well, Don Garlett's first, but so
I figured we'd play it by ear.
yeah, this thing's been doing well. I think you checked the C-clip eliminators. Got that.
I mean, there's so much rattling in the rear end still that it just all kind of starts to loosen up.
Yeah. Pretty much a nut and bolt check. So we're already set up over here. So John's already in the car. and off we go. Saying goodbye to South Georgia Motorsports. It was a good track.
You guys suck for yelling at me.
Yeah, but the track, some of the track officials were being rude to a lot of the media people, telling them to get out of the way and stuff like that. But you know, that's regardless. Like, one bad apple doesn't ruin the, you know, what's the saying? One bad apple doesn't ruin the tree. Is it? I don't know. You know, now for the museum. Oh crap. That's not good.
Right there, so he's fine.
Yeah, he's gonna wait for Cooper. He's got a 2-speed power glass, so he can't really go that fast without overheating it. Something going on with the Spaghetti Man.
The car's fine. I'm just worried about trans temp. I mean,
is it hot?
I don't know. I don't have a sensor, but I was just cruising for like 45 minutes, just like straight like 70 miles an hour, 65 miles an hour.
We're back on it. We're about to head out. He wants to stop on every 40 minutes to let it cool down. It is a warmer day, so he's not comfortable. They're not really made for like highway cruising like that. You know, usually 70, 80, so that's... Were you shifting my knob? That shit didn't even last 2 tracks.
It's gonna be a long day, buddy.
Alright, so we're gonna leave this thing on the over here at the weight station. So there's really nothing we can do. He already let it cool down, checked that it's still not going into second gear. The only thing he will do by driving the car is he can blow up the engine because it's gonna be revved up too high. So it's easier to leave it here. It's not worth it. The FD, you know, we can play catch up now that we don't have to wait for, you know, the Kyle's got no 5th gear, so they gotta go like slow, and then Cooper had the 2-speed tranny, so he had to go slow. So we can catch up. You know, we've been in 4th gear the whole time, so we can put this thing in 5th and just roll down to the checkpoint. But we already have everything thrown on the back of the truck. And you know, I mean, that's it. Can't do nothing about it. Basically. Cooper's in that truck over there. Yeah, he's got AC, but it's actually pretty nice. You know, gotta get some beauty shots. Every time I see my pillar missing, I want to punch you in the face. 40 more minutes to the checkpoint. Alright, so we made it to the first checkpoint. We're gonna go get some drinks and some food. We got a little bit of a leak on the differential seal, but nothing to be like nothing that's catastrophic or anything like that. We can just like smell it a little bit, so we can take care of that at home. But from here, that's it. You know, Bradenton tomorrow for the final passes. Alright, we're getting to Kyle's house right now, and that's pretty much day 4 of sick week is done. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Bradenton at 2 o'clock as the first, they're gonna start racing. So we're just gonna relax for tonight. And it's been a crazy long day. So make sure to like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.